Today's reality. Lots of big houses, but small families. There is more education, but less common sense. Highly advanced medicines, but poor health. Touched moon, but neighbors unknown. High income, but less peace of mind. High IQ, but less emotions. Good knowledge, but less wisdom. Costly watches, but no time. Number of affairs, but no true love. Lots of friends on Facebook, no friends in real life. And finally, lots of human beings, but less humanity. You can see the mentality of today's world, that nobody is interested in helping each other. Whether a person die, they are more interested in sharing that event of accident on their social media accounts, which is a very painful reality to accept. Animals are not harmful for our earth, but humans have been exploiting the nature. We are only adding pollution to earth. Some unlucky old parents get respect from their family only after death. The internet has now become more important than water. The couple before 14th Feb and couples on 14th November. YouTubers are more successful than the university graduates. A mother can take care of 2 children, but those 2 children can't even take care of one mother. While people are wasting food just because they don't taste good, but on the other side, someone is praying for some food.